Are you looking for the premier plumbing, heating and boiler specialists in London? Look no further. Welcome to MML Plumbing, where we take pride in providing top quality services for all your plumbing and heating needs. We prioritize customer satisfaction above all else. Our commitment to you starts with our 24-hour online customer support. We understand that plumbing and heating issues can arise at any time, day or night. That's why our dedicated team is always available to provide prompt and reliable support. With our user-friendly Quote My Job platform, booking your desired services has never been more accessible. Our convenient booking options allow you to get a free online estimate about any heating and plumbing issues, advanced leak detection, boiler or heat pump installation. Let's take a closer look at some of our services. Plumbing, heating, boiler and heat pump installation, leak detection. Our team of plumbing and heating engineers are well equipped to handle all our plumbing needs. From minor repairs to extensive installations and renovations, we've got you covered. The services that we offer are commercial and residential plumbing. This includes first and second fix plumbing installation, plumbing repair and maintenance. Boiler installation. We specialize in professional and affordable boiler installations, ensuring optimal performance, energy efficiency, and reliable hot water and heating solutions for your home or business. We install hydrogen-ready boilers, gas and electric boilers. Let it be a combination, regular or system boiler, we can help you with the installation. Another exceptional service we offer is our advanced leak detection. We specialize in locating those elusive leaks, hidden beneath wooden or concrete floors, ceilings or walls, all without causing any damage to the surface. Whether it's an underfloor heating leak or a cold water main leak beneath the concrete or ground, we've got you covered with our expertise. With our advanced technology, you can trust us to swiftly and precisely detect even the most challenging leaks, ensuring we safeguard your property and conserve water resources. We also offer heat pump installation. If you are looking for a comfortable and energy-efficient home throughout the year, we can help you design and install an energy-efficient heating system. We help you get access to government-provided grants, which can be up to £5,000. A new heat pump can maximize performance and save you money on your heating bills. We proudly serve North London and the surrounding areas, providing exceptional services. Contact us today, and let us take care of all your plumbing and heating needs. Remember, we're just a click away.